Hi guys, today I am making homemade basil with basil from our garden. This is 3 cups. 3 cups of basil. You could add in spinach for the rest if you want. Then half a teaspoon of cracked pepper and a teaspoon of salt, 3 garlic cloves, and half a cup of Parmesan Reggiano cheese. And I just put a third of a cup of almonds in the food processor because I didn't have pine nuts. Pulsing it. So I pulsed it again. So that was super quick. End result. This is with almonds though and not pine nuts because that's what I had. So here's the finished product. It actually does taste pretty good.